If you are planning to buy the BMW 7 Series, then this video is for you. Most people choose a car just by its looks and brand name, but this car has some hidden features that can completely change your driving experience. First is gesture control, where you can control music, volume, and calls just by moving your hand in the air. Second is the reversing assistant. It remembers your last 50 meters and automatically guides the car back out of tight spaces. Perfect for narrow parking areas. Third is the Sky Lounge panoramic roof, which transforms the cabin into a luxury private jet experience at night with stunning lighting patterns. Fourth is Digital Key Plus, where your smartphone becomes your car key. You can unlock and even share access remotely. And fifth is the iconic glow kidney grille, giving the BMW a powerful and premium identity at night. If you like these features, comment your favorite one below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing car content. Allah Hafiz.